Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, as I was scrolling on Facebook, I see this video of Uthando Nestemu. I'm really not sure which season was it, but it was during Mayeni's wedding. Ne? So this video was posted just to highlight the comment that Umakumalo made on Mayeni's wedding. Like, one thing about me, I am a fan, Yaga Makumalo. I am really such a big fan, Makumalo all the way nje. But after this comment, son, and I didn't see this, like I'm surprised because it's an old video, but I never saw this. And I'm sure maybe some people saw it, but it was during Mayeni's wedding, doing the traditional things there for the wedding, washing the husband's feet. It's a culture that it's a cultural practice that you need to do during the traditional ceremony. And Umakhumalo naye umZulu. She is a Zulu. She knows ukuthi this thing is cultural. It needs to be done. It's always been there, like it's just following cultural protocol nje. Tell me why Umakhumalo um is sending Umawahande to go to Umayeni and ask Umayeni why is she washing Musamseleku's feet? You know? So they translated there. I'm sorry guys, I can't add a video. Like YouTube is really not playing these days. I just don't want to get a copyright strike. Nje, yo. I'm trying to monetize my channel, so I'm really sorry. I'll just add my screenshots. But you get Umawande is there and then asking Kuti Mpilo's mom said I must ask, why are you washing daddy's feet? Is he dirty? Like during the ceremony, sana bayenze i-round laphayana, Umayeni is there in the center washing Musamseleku's feet. When you are deciding nje ukuthi, you know what, let me just send this child to Umayeni to ask why is she washing uh, our husband's feet? Is he dirty? Like, make it make sense, guys. Sometimes even if you are joking, but the time and the place, Sana, there's always a time and the place to make jokes, not at a time like this. I feel like it was so disrespectful, and Naishi is a Zulu person, so she knows ukuthi it's Zulu cultural protocol or practices to just wash your husband's feet during a traditional ceremony. Even in the comment section, people were just not happy. I know it's in the past, like it's in the past. Even the video, you can see it's a bit blurry because it's in the past. But Sana, we need to talk about this. Like, I know a lot of people are always on Makumalo's side, by the way. But the disrespect, Sana, the disrespect. Yes, even if we are always on your side, sometimes we need to call you out. We need to call you out. Even the people in the comment section were just not happy. Someone said ukuthi kodwa seniyabona ukuthi uMakhumalo njengoba bengamfuni nje kokunye wazakhela yena isidina. Yini nje lena ayithuma ingane akazi yena ukuthi umkhwenyana uyagezwa and iyabonakala ingane kwividiyo isibuyela iyomtshela impendulo okushuthi ebeyithume ngempela. So basically saying nje ukuthi Makhumalo, why is she doing this? So after the child went to Mayeni and then delivered the question, and then Mayeni was like, ayimtshela ukuthi naye uzoyigeza mase kuyi-10 yakhe. Naye uzomgeza nje umyeni wethu inyawo mase kuyi-10 yakhe. And then the child went back to Makhumalo to deliver the message, showing that vele uMakhumalo omthumile. Like, I really don't understand what was she trying to achieve by doing that. Was she jealous? Because naye angisho she also got her wedding. She also got her wedding after Umayeni. So I don't understand this whole thing, you know? And we are always siding with her, but we need to call her out. Yes, it's in the past, but Sana, I would really be upset if someone did that on my wedding day during the cameras. Are you trying to steal the spotlight? Nah, hey, kuningi shame.